Today I'm going to talk about fixatives. These are some of the standard fixatives that we use at the studio, but because people are working from home in confined spaces, we've been looking at non-toxic alternatives, which are really great, and we can use them in the classroom as well. This one's called Spectrafix, and it's a casein-based fixative, and it's non-toxic. It's a combination of casein, grain, alcohol and water. It's actually an antique recipe from Degas, actually, so it's a really good archival product. So with this, you can use it indoors, you don't need a mask, and it hasn't any chemicals or chemical propellants in it, so it just uses a spray pump. When you use it, you just might want to have a bit of paper. You can sort of, I don't know if you can see, but when you first use it, it comes out a little bit in droplets. So if you want a nice even spray, just go on a piece of paper to get an even spray. Just want to use it on a piece of paper just to get out the big drips and get an even spray. And then once you've got that, you want it 20 to 25 centimetres off your surface. There's a little bit of drip here. If you're really unhappy with the drip factor, there is something called Fixative, which is a pump that hairdressers use, and you can order that online, and it actually gives you a really nice even spray. So if you've got a really polished work, say in pastels, charcoal, pencil, and you want to really avoid any of this dripping, there's Fixative, and you just put this recipe in the Fixative pump and it does a beautiful even spray. But I think for student purposes at home, this is fine. You do one spray like this, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and then do another layer. And you can actually use it while you're working as well. So put down, say you're doing some oil sketching, laying out first. You can just use the fixative and then carry on with your oils. So it's a great product, highly recommend it. You do not want to be using these products at home in a confined space. So this is Spectrafix. This is what we recommend for you to use at home. It's a non-toxic alternative and it's archival. These products are fixatives that are hazardous and they need to be used in a controlled environment. We can use them at the studios on campus, but they are hazardous, so we use masks and outdoors. So really, I recommend you get Spectrafix. It's really quite affordable. They stock it at Levers, and have a go with that.